What's up ka-daily? Another box. I-unbox natin tong bagong dating Adidas AE1 with Love. Ito yung new release na Adidas ni Anthony Edwards ng Timberwolves. Ganda ng colorway, kakaiba. After unbox, i-flex naman natin on feet. Ito yung tinatapat sa Jordan 2 ni Tatum. Magaan tong Adidas na to. Ito yung model na AE1 with Love, new release ng Adidas. Thank you guys for watching. Abang lang sa mga sapatos na naman na i-unbox at i-flex on feet. Thank you.